What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back for another video. So guys, in today's episode we are not only meeting up with my buddy Mike in his super clean Toyota Chaser, which we are going to check out. We are also meeting up with my other buddy Kyle, aka the Black Widow Supra. So you know it's gonna be a crazy night tonight, guys, so stick with me. But before we leave, and we're leaving in just a minute, it's gonna be dark soon, but that's okay. I do want to just mention a few things. First thing being that I did start a Patreon page. I'll put a link in the description below for that. Obviously, right now, YouTube doesn't really pay me anything for these videos, and you know, a lot of them do, you know, cost money, and they take a lot of time and effort, and you know, honestly, that's okay. I like doing them not only for me, but I like doing them for you guys as well. So like I said, I don't mind it, but it wouldn't hurt to have a little bit of support, you know, especially with a new baby and all that other stuff. So anyway, if you guys want to check that out, link in the description below. Also, if you'd rather support me by buying a shirt, there is also a merch link in the description below. So yeah, now that that's out of the way, let's get out of here. I think we're going to be taking the Subaru today. The Skyline has 0 gas in it. She's looking pretty though. She's looking real pretty here, but she's got no gas. So we are taking the Subaru. Let's get a cold start. TNT cat downpipe, nameless X-Spec muffler deletes. I believe it's a demon. She's a demon. Actually, I think that was a Hellcat. That was a Hellcat, my bad. I kid you not, probably less than, I don't know, 15 seconds ago, it was literally sunny, and now it's like this. Yep, that's pretty much how Florida operates. And like 8 minutes later, it's, we're all good, guys, all good. So we made a quick pit stop here at the good old Wendy's. However, we're with Mike now in his pretty awesome Toyota Chaser. I was actually really hoping he was going to go through the drive-thru just so we could get a reaction video. No, okay, anyway. But yeah, dude, this thing is awesome, man. Like, he did such a good job with this thing. He just got all the aero paint and everything, so it's looking so good with the bronze and the white. Definitely, he always does nice cars. Actually, fun fact is he's the one that sold me my Skyline to begin with. So, came from this guy, so I know he's got good taste. But yeah, just pretty awesome. Has a 1JZ in it, by the way. I just love the way that the work emotions look on this car. I almost got those for the Skyline, but I ended up going with the Battles instead. But those were a close second, and this car is pretty much the reason why. Should I don't know if I should be filming this. I will
I have been trying to make sure we have the money to.
I gotta get a better spot though with the mic, you know. I gotta get audio.
I just said it costs over $1,000 to do it properly.
Way more than $1,000.
Exactly. And the only way to come up with money to do that without charging somebody would be to ask for donations. Am I right?
That's still
2 hours later.
I was a co-host.
Yes.
I was never a co-host. It was always your
Hey, we're trying to hear this conversation, man. What are you doing? What are you doing over here?
Trying to not hear this conversation.
Come on, man. Yeah, let's turn it up. Let's go do some drifting out there. Dang, it's a nice ice cream. I'm a little jealous. Slightly jealous.
What?
Oh, he's good at it. He's cute though.
You got my microphone.
He's cute.
I thought this one was
the mic.
Huskies are hunting dogs.
The mic.
No, and I looked.
So we got the R32 from the other day here, and Kyle's R34 Chaser. Oh yeah. Nice little meetup tonight. That's a big cloud right there. I've never seen Kyle move so fast.
My man do something and you do something crazy without getting in trouble. Alright, first off, my man here's a professional drifter. Like, he's straight up pro. This is wide enough for him to go wide enough for you to throw a donut into the car.
By sliding
as he's coming by.
around, I'll slide around to here, and as I get to here, I'll be able to straighten up enough, and you can throw the, if you can throw the donut from here into my window, that'd be dope.
That's like a couple 100,000 views on YouTube, easy.
That's all you gotta do.
And if you make it, I'll throw another 20 bucks on top.
If you're trying to, you make it.
Whoa. Now you're talking big bucks, man.
Only twice.
It's Kyle's money, it's okay.
He's gotta make it.
And then he'll park, and then we weren't doing shit. You got me?
Nah, see, nah, I can't do
They actually have actual customers though waiting inside for actual donuts.
Anything out of the ordinary. All you have to do is throw a donut into a car going by. That's it. Wait, so you gotta get it in the window.
I'm gonna slide around the drive-through through here,
Professional drifter.
and you gotta throw it in the window.
Chuck it right at him.
Like, you gotta try and hit me as I'm in the car.
We're gonna go around the drive-through.
I'm about to buy a couple donuts.
She wants a dozen, that's right, that's it.
We're gonna do it.
We like her spirit. Dozen
We're
donuts.
gonna fucking do it, bro.
Alright, so basically, we're paying this lady at the Dunkin Donuts 20 bucks so we can drift around the drive-through and throw a donut into a car that's drifting. So, it's gonna be exciting, so let's do it. Alright, do it again, we weren't ready. I wasn't ready, what is he doing? Guy over here just missed all the action. All right, guys, so that was pretty awesome. Unfortunately, there was no donut thrown. I didn't see any donut thrown, but either way, you know, 240 drifting around Dunkin Donuts, doing donuts around a Dunkin Donut. You guys get the idea. Anyway, I gotta call it an early night tonight. I got work in the morning. So yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Throw this video a thumbs up. I truly appreciate all those likes. And yeah, guys, just like that, this vlog is over, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.